Good morning, class. This is our topic for today, statement of financial position. What are the statement of financial position? The statement of financial position, also called the balance sheet, is a financial statement that shows the financial condition of a business at a specific date. It shows three main parts, like asset, liabilities, and equity, the basic accounting equation. Asset. Under the asset column of financial statement lies anything that the business owns, whether that cash in the bank, inventory, property, or proprietary equipment. These assets are subsequently categorized as either current or non-current asset. Current asset. The first listing on the statement, current asset, refers to cash or cash equivalent, which can be easily converted into cash within a year or less. They consist of money owned by customer, inventory, prepaid expense or insurance and rent, securities that can be traded, bought, or sold on the market. Non-current asset. It is assets with the value that take longer to actualize are considered non-current. Examples include fixed asset, office, factory building, or equipment, which won't realize their full value within a financial year. Current liabilities naman is wage, example, accounts payable, repayments on for credit purchases, taxes, utility bills, rent, current portion, or long term. Let's move to non-current liabilities. Is also known as long-term liabilities. This refer to outstanding debts and payments that cannot be settled within a year, such as long-term debt, lease liabilities, pension fund liabilities, and deferred tax liabilities. Next is equity. Finally, under shareholder equity, a business needs to record the amount of money attributed to company, owners, and shareholders. Equity also accounts for owner earnings to the owners once liabilities have been paid. Put more simplify, equity equal asset minus liabilities is the proportion of the business that is owned outright. On the statement of financial position, equity is placed under net liabilities and can include: one is common stock or ownership shares. Next is preferred stock, or this gives stock knowledge priority over common stockholders. Then retained earnings. Net earnings a company reinvest used to pay off debt or distribute to shareholders in the form of dividends. Next is treasury stock. It is shares issued and reacquired by the company. Next is additional paid in capital. It is amount shareholders have paid more than the par value of share. There are two forms of statement financial position is report form and account form. The report form is presented vertically for easier comparison of statement of financial position from these years. On the other hand, is the account form is presented horizontally, dividing the statement of financial position in two columns, the asset column and the liabilities and equity column. Current assets should be listed first before non-current asset. The same applies to liabilities. This is our example of this balance sheet. Example of statement of financial position. What's kind of form? Is form of account form. Kasi siya ay pa-horizontal. Sama-sama yung current asset, non-current asset, liabilities, and equity. The next example is report form. Ito naman is vertical. Next is our problem. Risk company provided the following information on December 31, 2022. Excuse. These are given, and next is prepare statement of financial position. Get ready. Okay. Asset. Sabi is cash and cash equivalent 700.